Mighty Kitten. First position ng Diaman. Ali. Foul. Foul on number 6 on the division.
Assemble.
First on, personal foul. First team foul on the division. Steve. Foul away. Oh! Yeah! YouTube tayo, taas to play. Labas muna tayo, labas. Time out, technical time out. Technical time out. Now Flora. Skate, Flora again. It balls, white nice defense on GFM. Our score 2-0, favor of GFM. GFM, 9 minutes. 9 minutes, our score 2-0. This is our new 12 category. Now, Flora. He's still again by Ali. Traveling violation, turnover on GFM.
Ini Rasya? Oh, gold yan. Laro yan, gold.
Dod, simula yun!
Check ka yan, naglaro yan.
Dod, simula yun! Uy, lapit! Hawks!
The Mighty Kitten. Flora. Found the destroyer, Flora.
Ball!
Foul on 0-1 on Binigracia. First foul. First team foul, GFM.
Wala! Dod! Ali, change position. Dod, gawas, Dod! Diri, oh! Hold on.
Nice steal on Ivan, a little blower, Ivan. Hey, steal again by the little blower. Flora now, the little blower, Flora is get the 40 to shoot. The destroyer attack.
Go!
Foul.
Number 7.
Foul on number 7 on the destroyer, Flora. Second team foul on division. Personal foul on the destroyer, Flora.
Sige!
6 minutes, 40 seconds. Now the destroyer, drive, attack. The destroyer, Flora. Foul again on number 1 on Binigracia. Substitution.
Ball.
Binigracia out. Second personal foul on Binigracia. Second team foul on EFL.
Go!
The ball, motivation.
Ours.
Good.
sub, rep.
Jacob. Good.
Short. Substitution left, substitution. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Our score tied 2. This is our under 12 category. Motivation versus GFM. Now the little Flora.
Sige, you won!
Pass to the destroyer again. The destroyer sends up. In and out. Destroyer pass. Destroyer again. Rebound. Rebound with GFM.
Sige, Rachel!
To Jomari. Oh, the little roar. Little roar dive to destroyer. Destroyer. Ah, Tolentino. Destroyer again. Tolentino. Tolentino. Rebound by Ali. Ali again. 40 to shoot. 40. Ah, lumay. One. 3 minutes and 20.
Oh, line nyo. Technical ko kayo. Doon na. Yung line nyo doon, napasok kayo doon. Doon kayo lang.
Foul. All on number 7 and 2. Substitution. Warning for penalty on GFM. Warning on GFM for penalty.
Stop.
Substitution. Ibibigas sa inyo. 3 minutes. 0 score. 2. All. Rebounding little door to the destroyer now. Destroyer. Lumay. Strong. Rebound by Ali. Ali. Oh! Back-to-back turnover on CFM.
You won!
This is our third match for the day. U12 category. Little Bird. Little Bird again. Pass to Mike Tikitan. Mike Tikitan drive. Mike Tikitan. Out.
Sige, Bon!
Down the Vigasya. Oh! Nice defense ng Lumay. Defense ng Lumay. Ali. Ali. Short. Banana Little Bird. Little Bird now. Now! Oh! Little Bird again. Little Bird. Right. Good down. Cruz. Pass down. Vigasya.
Sige, Bon!
Vigasya. Foul on number 7 on the destroyer, Flora. Basket substitution. Mamaya. 1 minute and 35 seconds. Wala. Now 3-2, substitution, 3 against 2. 1 point lead now on GFM U12 category.
Go you on.
Sige, Bon!
Stop now.
Sige, Ali! Sige!
Now the destroyer. The destroyer now, Flora, the destroyer sends up to throw, Ibang Vigasya. 53 seconds, 53. Pildari. Too strong on the destroyer. Ali. Substitution then, substitution, sub. Substitution, the plus in now, the plus. Out on the little door, Ivan. Substitution then, substitution. Mighty McCoy is in already, Mighty McCoy. 27 seconds, 27 seconds. Now the flash. Flash run, the flash goes to goal, flash to right. Again to strong, Ivan, number 7, Cruz, 1-1 on the Mighty Flash, the flash, still on the flash. Flash. Still again, Pirata, 5 seconds. Wow. Foul number 1, Lodi Migracia. Third personal foul, Lodi Migracia. Now team penalty, LGFM penalty. 3 against 2. 1 point lead on GFM. 2 seconds, 2. SGFM ball. Now Tolentino. Nice defense for Division. Now the flash. Escape pass off the jump. Too strong. Di bola Pirata. Too strong rin. Makoy, may di Makoy. Oh no. Little roll to back to my pass now, pass. And to shoot then. Steal by Ali. Yes, on Ali. Now the pass Salindas. Steven Tolentino. Peralta. Yakay ni Gracia. Short. Mighty blow. Yes, on Gracia. Ali. Wow, rebound on the little floor. Yes, time out on regulation. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. 7 minutes and 45. Inbounding the destroyer to the Mighty Kitten, Solomon. Now the Mighty Kitten now. Setting a play.
Forward.
Start, go.
Ball, baba saglit, ball. Baba saglit, ball.
Pass to Flora, the destroyer, drive. Pass to Mikey McCoy, McCoy. Back to the Mikey Ethan. Short, Ibarra Pirata. Destroyer again. To Pirata. Foul on Divine Garcia. Fourth personal foul on Divine Garcia. Warning on Divine Garcia. First hit, dito sa sabret. Substitution out. Divine Garcia, Joe Marie. 6 minutes and 59 seconds. 9 to 5. 4.3 on GFM. This is our U12 category. Motivation versus
Offside, ay sayang.
GFM.
There's a line there. Yun lang sa line.
Bagano, Chico.
Yes! 11 to 5, 6.3 now on GFM.
Depensa.
Now the mic, the plus, Aridas. As to the destroyer, it's Pinelli. The plus again. As to Pirata. Yes, Pirata, 7-11. 4.3 now on GFM. Tolentino, 22. Tolentino, step out. Traveling violation, nice defense. Against motivation, time out on GFM. This is our U12 category, GFM versus motivation. Our first elimination round by GFM motivation. And next game will be Daddy's game. Motivation against Delta. Our last match will be Delta versus Motivation, our Daddy's game. The blast, right, up. Whoa! The blast! Alandas! 9-11! Divine Garcia. Coast to coast. Rebound on the destroyer, Flora. Flora, the destroyer. Flora, drive, Flora. Foul! Foul on number 77 on Ali. First on Ali. Second team foul, GFM, 5 minutes and 14 seconds. On second quarter, Flora Destroyer to strong.
Ali, how many fouls do you have? One foul.
One pa lang.
Now 10-11, 1 point lead on GFM steal, right? The Flora Destroyer. Lumaiti Makoy, nice steal of the Marie. 18 to shoot, 18. Now the pass. Pass to the Mikey Ethan. Mikey McCoy. Black. Right, Dominic. Yes. Don Dominic. 13 to 10. 3-point lead to GFM. Mikey McCoy. Motivation ball, motivation. Substitution reps up. Jacob out. Baby the killing. That's on the plus. On the plus. 13 to 10. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Ali.
Bola, bola.
Paso naman si Ethan. Yung destroyer. Yes, on the destroyer, Flora! 3 minutes and 10 seconds. 13 to 12. Ali. 12 by 4. Ali. 2 to Gracia. Stop pump. Gusto mo din. On Joey. Oh! 14 to shoot. 14. Iba ang Makoy, na Mighty Makoy. The Mighty Makoy now to Pirata. Oh! Turner, substitution.
May time out, boss. Wala na time out. Sorry.
2 minutes, 35 seconds, 2 minutes.
Pass! Go!
Short. Foul. Foul on the break. On Joey. 13 foul on division. Third.
Stop.
Substitution F7. Ali out. Tulad din ng little naman keeping out the little blur in Flora.
Okay na.
As on the destroyer, now 13 all. 1 minute and 59 seconds. One free throw shot from the destroyer, Flora.
Out! Nice one.
Nabanang Filipino. Foul ulit. Oh! Foul on Flora destroyer. Now, first team foul. On the basin. Second on Flora. Ali. Robin Medicine. Substitution F. Substitution. One minute and 29 seconds. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Bounding the class. Alin Grass. Oh, still again. A little more. Pass to Brata, break. Ali. To Filipino. Bini Gracia, side step. Yes, sir. Bini Gracia. Time out on population. 43 seconds, 43. Now, Captain Vega in the ball game. Number 2, Captain Vega. Now the blast. Right, nice play. Foul. Warning for penalty on GFM. Warning for penalty. Foul on number 22, Baby Nutilio. 24 seconds. 24 seconds. Flora destroyer. Captain Vega. First attempt. Short. Filipino. Yes. 19 to 13. GFM ball, GFM. Tolentino. Good Ibigasya. Kaya pala ito may tikitin. Rebound Peralta. Oh! Turnover on Captain Vega. Short. Rebound on Captain Vega. To the mighty Captain. It's called the ball.
Chan! Chan! Kukunin mo yung bola. Iwan. Depensa, Iwan. Kuha.
On the Captain Vega. So naman si Kitten. Akoy. Oh! Still on Akoy. 90 Kitten. Stop, bang. 90 Kitten now. To Captain Vega. Captain Vega, stop. Captain Vega, too strong. Di ba na Makoy? 8 minutes and 23 seconds. Still 6.3. Sabi ito sa tie rep, sub rep. On GFM, you are out. Destroyer for Nain. To Tolentino. Si Binigracia. St. Paul, 14 to shoot, 14.
Kita mo lali. Iwan, wag ka dyan, Iwan! Dyan!
Now Ali.
Babon, wag ka, Babon! Uy!
Now little drawer to the destroyer attack, the destroyer! Flora! 15 to 19, 4.3 now, GFM, Filipino. Guarded by destroyer, Cruz. 14 to shoot, 14. Foul on the destroyer and foul. Foul on number 7, timeout on GFM. First team foul on GFM. Motivation ball, motivation. Our last game will be Dallas game. Motivation versus Delta. Down little blur. No! Pirata! Yes! On Pirata now 19 to 17. Still by Makoy. Still on glass. Still on. Yes! 21 to 17 now on GFM. 90 Kitten. Makoy. Stop. Makoy. Short. White ball. GFM ball. Ali. Mighty Blow, Little Blow, drive! Usmanov! Foul on number 1 on Divigasya, 5 fouls! Now Divigasya eliminated 5 fouls on Divigasya, 5 minutes and 51 seconds, 21-17. Nice shot coming from Little Flora. 1-18, 5 minutes and 50 seconds. On the third quarter, only 3 points lead by GMM. Pirata. Oh, Little Flora. Whoa! Pirata. Now 21-20. Shot by Watcher. Subdivision Thailand, subdivision. Subdivision, Makoy out. Subdivision. 21-20. Now on Little Flora. Little Flora. Not enough. Lumay. Pow. All on number 11 on Tolentino. 13 foul on GFM. First on Tolentino. Two shots from Lubay. For a tie. Oh no. Our next game will be Daddy's game. Delta versus Motivation. Silver again. Whoa! Now 1 point lead by Motivation. Tolentino. Still. The plus. Wow! All on number 11 on the Little Flora. First on the subdivision. Flora got Little Flora out. Captain Vega in. Dino. Tolentino, hey, 14 to shoot, 14. Ali drive. Now the mighty corner. To the captain, stop, captain, the captain, take, captain Vega, to strong, the destroyer. Wow, the destroyer, Flora. Now 3-point lead conservation. Tolentino. Ali, block by Destroyer. Now Captain Vega to the mighty Kitten. Short. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Approach, Joel.
Short. Captain Vega. Ooh, the Destroyer, Flora. The Destroyer again, the Destroyer! 26-21, foul. Foul on Lubay, number 7, Lubay. Second team foul on Motivation first. On Motivation, 2 minutes and 29 seconds, Ali. Ali now, escape, Ali. Ali by the Destroyer, 1-1, the Destroyer, Ali. Tolentino, 40 to shoot, 14. 10. again by Richards. 2 minutes! Galing na mouse to Mighty Kitten. Mighty Kitten stop. Mighty Kitten is for no! Mighty Kitten try. Mighty Kitten!
Motivation.
Substitution, time of substitution. 1 minute and 31 seconds. Substitution, sub. Marcos out. Flores in. 1 minute and 30 seconds to the third quarter. 14 to the second, 14. Captain Vega. The destroyer again. The destroyer. Out. Destroyer. Bang. Destroyer. Blank behind. On the defense coming of GFN. 14 to shoot. 14. 55 seconds. Yes! Oh, Nale! 30 seconds. Aplas. Air ball. Rebound on the destroyer again. Destroyer. 10 to shoot. 10. Ali. Oh, foul. Foul on number 7 in Dubai. Third team foul on the division. Second personal foul on Dubai. 18 seconds. 18. 26 to 23. 3-point lead on motivation. Oh! The blast! And the 28 to 23. 10 seconds. Our last game will be Daddy's game. Valentino, 14 to shoot. 10. Motivation ball, motivation. Division on the set, 3 seconds, variation, 3 seconds. Yes! Oh, Captain Vega! Now, rebound again na may tito to door to Bacoy, 1 and 1. Ali. Eight minutes and 44 seconds on the last quarter. Our last game will be Daddy's game. Motivation versus Delta. Captain Vega, short, Peralta. Yes! Oh, Peralta! 8 minutes. Shoot! 10 to shoot, 10. Short, again by Peralta. Captain Vega. Whoa! Captain Vega! 44 now to 23. 9-point lead on the nation, 7 minutes and 40 seconds. last game. Substitution lineup, substitution. Will be Dallas game. Motivation versus Delta. On the line in the Little Drawer, Flora. 7 minutes. Still 11-14 now on probation. Foul. Foul on number 27 ng Peralta. First. Team foul, dito sa Terap, shot rep. First team foul on motivation, first on Tirata. Substitution, Tirata out. The destroyer in the floor.
Rainiel.
Our next game will be Dallas game. Dallas game. Motivation versus Delta.
Yan.
The destroyer.
Ali.
Makoy. Same ball. 34-23.
Jo Marie baba.
Ali.
Tira.
Now the destroyer Flora to Makoy. Captain Vega, stop pump. Captain Vega, yes! On Captain Vega, 36-23.
Saan? Kuha na bona. Baba.
Now on Tolentino. Steal by Ali. 14 to shoot, 14.
Tiket.
Robert Perez, substitution. Little Drawer in the ball game. Little Drawer, Flora. 5 minutes.
Ali, baba. Jo Marie galaw.
Technical foul on the destroyer for striking. One free throw shot coming from Ali. Timeout motivation. 4 minutes 39 seconds.
Tatlo kayo dito.
Our last game will be Dallas game. Delta versus Motivation. Sunday's Dallas game.
Sige lang.
Short.
Labas. Sige lang. Nice.
Yes, on Tolentino. Steal again by Tolentino.
Nice. Diretso.
Oh, short. The Plaza Mindas. To the mighty Kitten.
Yan, dikit.
done, 40 seconds, 36 to 25, 11-20 down position. Tolentino. St. Paul, St. Paul.
Baba, nice.
Sampler, salito siya.
16.
3 minutes.
Yes! Mira!
We're on this score now.
21-16.
Ali! Basket cannon won by Ali! 36-27, back to 9-point animation. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Second team foul on Gresham. Third team foul on Peralta.
Still.
2 minutes and 30 seconds.
Son.
Motivation ball, motivation. Now the mighty Eden. Oh, Floral Destroyer, the Destroyer, the Destroyer! Shot! Rebound by Lumay. Last 2 minutes. These last 2 minutes are brought to you by Motivation. GFM, Round Zero, Delta, Armos, and Basketballista. Oh! Still! Lumay now. Back to the Destroyer. Right again. Peralta, Lumay. 1 minute and 26 seconds. Last quarter. Starting to Sudan, substitution. 19 out. Solomon out, Solomon. Now the flash. The flash now, the flash drive, the flash pass to flash again, big drive, attack. Ah, the Destroyer, Flora. First team foul on GFM. First team foul on GFM. Time out on Motivation. Last 26 seconds. Last 26 seconds. All players go outside. All players. Number 7 on the Destroyer Flora. Number 11 on Little Blur